Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Nissan Maxima. Maxima offers elegance with an edge. The spacious interior provides refined comfort for up to 5 passengers. Advanced technologies such as Nissan Intelligent Key and push-button ignition offer convenience and control. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, navigation system, traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, keyless start, aluminum wheels, cruise control, 4-wheel disc brakes, auto-dimming rear view mirror, universal garage door opener. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.